So this video is going to show you how to make a scatter plot with DESMOS. So you can just go to desmos.com/calculator, or you can go through Clever and go through the DESMOS app. But basically, I'm going to do example 2 on page 3. And so on DESMOS down here, you can just simply hit this plus and then this table. This will pop up. I'm using this data from, again, example 2. And you can see once I type that in like this, it'll pop it up. We're going to talk about this example. It says the table shows the number n in millions of subscribers to a cellular telecommunications service in the United States from 2005 and 2014. So these are the number of subscribers on this column in millions. And then these are the years, so 2005 to 2014, where T represents the year. So it says sketch a scatter plot. So we did that right here. I typed in everything from the year and then our number of subscribers. And so then that goes there. One of the kind of cool things, you can see this when you go to the home screen, though, you might not find it, but that requires that you have to zoom in, zoom out, depending on where it is. So if I zoom out a bunch, remember these values are going to be in the 2000s because that's what year it is. So if I zoom out there to around 2000, I can kind of slide this over here so I can see that a little bit better. And I also can zoom in a little bit more here so I can see it. One other thing that you can do is you can use DESMOS to predict if you want to do a line of best fits. If it looks like a linear type situation, which it does, if you go over here, you can type in, if you look at your columns here, this is Y1. So I'm going to type in just Y1. I'm going to use my squiggly looking line above the tab button. And since it's MX plus B, I'm going to do MX1 and then plus B. And right away, it gives you what that would look like. It also draws that line of best fit. Now, this is not perfect. It's not exactly going through the heart of every single dot, but it's pretty close. And so we can kind of use that. So it's telling you what M and B are. So if I type in Y equals 15.4527, because that's what I see here, X plus B, that's plus and negative, so I'll do minus 30,764. You can see that that matches up perfectly with this one. So there's the exact same line there. You can even use this to predict. So it also does function notation. If I change this to f of x equals 15.4527 x minus 30,764, I'll get the same line. But I can predict. So if I type in 2000, this is saying 2001. This is saying that in the year 2001, we would have had 156.8527 million subscribers. So this will help us predict data too. So if I said what happens in 2020, because my table only goes to 2014, if it continues in this fashion, it would be up to 450.454 million subscribers. So that's a way that you can use instead of doing it by hand. This is a lot quicker to make a table. So again, click here, do the table, fill out the table based upon that.